Hello, I'm back with the Container Store. I wanted to show you. I did buy the smaller one, and you see there's not that much of a gap here. So this one does fit in the Rascog. I tried it, and it does have like a teeny space here on the Rascog and a teeny space in the front. And you could put it in the middle. So here are all of my stickers, my chipboard, and my stickers. So like I said, I was gonna put dividers, and so I think this one is better than the larger one. As you can see, the larger one is way bigger, and this does not fit in the Rascog, but this one does. So if you're interested in the SKU number of this one from the Container Store, where did I put it? Where is it? I found it. So that SKU, it is 100-51180. So again, 100-51180, and it's called the Smart Store Handle Tray in white. They have other colors, so if you want pink, blue, green, I believe they had. They're all different colors, but I just chose the white because it matches my room. Then I did pick up this from the Container Store, and I stored the stickers from Aliexpress. So I bought 2 small ones, and these are all of my Aliexpress stickers and the cards that I picked up yesterday. And then I bought 2 large ones. So the large ones holds more of the larger stickers, the cards, these that I bought the other day, and this from Aliexpress. So everything here is Aliexpress. So it's, and they do, if you put them on top of each other, they do interlock. So let me just take this out. So see, they do go together like that. If you want to put washi tapes in them, you could, and you could put them, stack them all on top of each other, because washi tape does fit in here. Let me just show you. Here are my washi tapes. So here's a couple. See? They fit in there. And they fit in the larger one, which you could put more than one row and then put another on top of it. So I have mine for my stickers, which I think I'm going to put in my Rascog, and these little vellum cards. So if you're interested in the SKU of the 2 large ones, I'm gonna tell you the SKU number on that one. They're called the Tall Shimo Divided Insert Translucent, and that SKU is 100-79399. Again, that number is 100-79399. And now the large one, the large dividers, is 100-79398. Again, 100-79398. So that was from the Container Store. So they have a lot of new stuff for the craft room in the Container Store, but these were the ones that I picked up. They're translucent. I like it, and I'm going to put it in my Rascog. And that is it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you need have any questions, please write it down below. I do get back to you. And subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.